To write the Lewis structure for SBr6 sulfur hexabromide, let's count the valence electrons up. We have 6 for sulfur plus 7 for bromine, and we have 6 bromines. So we have a total of 48 valence electrons for the SBr6 Lewis structure. We'll put sulfur in the center and then put the bromines around it. We have 6 bromine atoms. So we have 48 total valence electrons. We'll put pairs of electrons between atoms to form the chemical bonds. And then we'll go around the outside and complete the octets on the bromines. So now that we've put all these valence electrons around the bromines, we can see that each bromine has an octet, 8 valence electrons. The central sulfur, it has more than an octet, but that's okay because sulfur is an exception to the octet rule. It can have what's called an expanded octet. We've also used all 48 valence electrons, so that makes this the Lewis structure for SBr6. If you check the formal charges, you'll see that this is the most likely or favorable Lewis structure. We could replace these bonding electrons with lines, which would make the structure look a little bit neater. But either way works. This is Dr. B with the Lewis structure for sulfur hexabromide. Thanks for watching.